Welcome back, everybody. I'm Cousin Matt from Boys in the Woods. Cousin Matt trying not to get run over on the blacktop. We are taking the log truck to the woods. We're going to try to get a load out, maybe sort out what we've got cut. Yeah, a lot of bucking up today, I reckon. Ugh. No, I thought it would be too, but it did. It's not. Ain't much left of the top.
No, I can see that.
I'll put my chain on, I'll get the top off.
Go ahead, cross it.
Yeah.
And then that big limb on top is split.
Yeah.
It's big enough to fit it, if it won't make it log, it'll make good firewood.
Yeah, all the way down there it will, yeah.
As big as it is, yeah, it's gonna keep it.
I'll just cut the forks off and then I'll try to work that up a little bit. Got everything bucked up this morning. Some of that stuff out yonder, out there, some of that needs bucked up. But we're gonna get this loaded up what we can and sorted. And then, yeah, man. Full hinge, baby. We got 3 trees. One on this side, 2 on that side. They're all kind of touching at the top. I've walked around in circles trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So I'm going to let this one go and hope that it busts through and hits the ground, and then I'll be able to do something with the others. If it hangs up, we'll have to wait on that skidder. But other than that, I'm tired of looking at it, trying to figure it out. Because I don't want to tear up a log to save some limbs that are going to be on the ground. Get through that. Come on. God! So close. Ah, so close. Well, go find something else to cut until you can get back here. Blew the spark plug out of my steel. These days, I picked him up. threw him up in the air and he flew over here. He was in the top. I just want to get him away from this log where he don't get dragged down. If I could get him to go up the hill. Come on, guy. You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. You okay? You okay? You okay? You're alright. Here. Here. Get on. Wait. See if he can fly. See if he can. There you go, guy. There you go, guy. Yeah, boy. That's a first for me, dudes. Woo. Well, guys, call me a drum because I am beat. We hit it pretty hard yesterday, and I got sunburnt, so I wore long sleeves all day. It's 90 degrees, but I didn't want that sun beating on me, burning me up. And we got all the logs sorted, the stacked up in piles in case stacked up in piles. He's gonna haul that load tonight because we got a load on, and he's a maniac. Yeah, boy. But he's gonna haul it tonight in case it don't rain. We'll see. But you guys will have to tune in tomorrow to find out. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.